2009 Dodge Challenger RT V8 HEMI. Still got the stock converters there and there, factories. Then it's got a factory X-Pipe. Then we put some FLOWMASTER Flow FX that you can, if you like to purchase, you can go in the comments, in the link below in the description. And then we did a muffler delete right there and right there. Rear muffler delete, and there's the FLOWMASTER FX again, and we reused his tips right there, right there. That's the mufflers and suitcase that was in the middle that we cut off. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Dodge Challenger, 2016 Dodge Challenger HEMI RT. Still got everything stock, calic converters. Got a factory X-Pipe, got a factory mid-muffler or mid-resonator, and we did muffler resonator deletes or rear muffler deletes, and put some black staggered tips on it. Right there, right there. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. You gotta go beast mode, bro. Show me what it's got when you leave. Much better. FLOWMASTER FX never disappoint. Nobody likes those mufflers. Always cut them off. Sounds beautiful. Come on, nice.